On Phala, we said to you, and I don't know why do you say, what do you seek to achieve? We told you Phala will never die. For as long as the EFF is in Parliament, which it is where we are, and whether you like it or not, those who wish for the death of the EFF, SG, even if the EFF was to die tomorrow, the branches don't exist, the region have collapsed, provinces have collapsed. We've got 39 members of Parliament for the next 5 years. There's nothing that is going to collapse. Those votes are there, they won't collapse. They're going to collapse after 5 years. So you've got guaranteed 5 years of the existence of the EFF, at least in Parliament. So whether you like it or not, the EFF is there to hold Phala accountable. There is something terrible that happened in the previous administration. We referred the matter of impeachment to the panel as required by the rules of Parliament. Why? Because they know that if we were to say, is there prima facie evidence or not, we are going to be subjective because we are politicians. So on matters such as those, you outsource them to non-parliamentarians so that you get an objective view. And that's what we did. We argue that the panel's report, Parliament can't go against it without any rational reason. Parliament has not reasoned why it went against the panel report. So, in South Africa, you cannot abuse my majority. Majoritarian will only work where there is no constitution. Majoritarian cannot stand the test of time in court. If you say the majority have voted, even if they voted in an unconstitutional manner, and then you say, no, majority have spoken, there's nothing we can do about it. Our constitution doesn't work like that. Every decision, even a decision of the majority, must meet a rational test. And that's what we're going to do.